The 2023 Kia Stonic GT-Line marks an impressive update to the compact crossovers lineup. As part of Kia's commitment to bring sportier and more dynamic models to the market, the GT-Line adds an array of features and design tweaks to the regular Stonic. The most striking aspect of the GT-Line is its exterior design, with exclusive elements such as a more aggressive front bumper, unique 17-inch alloy wheels, and GT-Line badging. The enhanced aesthetics not only make it stand out from the regular Stonic, but also give it a more athletic stance. Under the hood, the GT-Line boasts a more powerful engine option compared to the standard Stonic variants. It is equipped with a turbocharged 1-liter 3-cylinder engine, which is known for its peppy performance and efficiency. This engine, paired with a mild hybrid system, offers better fuel economy without compromising the spirited driving experience that the GT badge signifies. The mild hybrid system is instrumental in offering torque assistance and reducing emissions. On the technology front, the 2023 Kia Stonic GT-Line does not disappoint. It includes an upgraded infotainment system with a larger touchscreen display compared to the base model. The infotainment system is compatible with Apple Carplay and Android Auto, ensuring that drivers and passengers can stay connected and entertained throughout their journey. In addition, the GT-Line features a more comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies. In contrast, the regular 2023 Kia Stonic, which also underwent some updates, retains its position as a reliable and practical compact SUV. It is aimed at buyers looking for a value-for-money proposition without the sporty aspirations of the GT-Line. It continues to be available with a variety of powertrains, including petrol and diesel engines, and offers ample space for both passengers and luggage. Inside the cabin, the 2023 Stonic GT-Line offers a touch of sportiness that's absent in the base model. The seats are wrapped in premium materials with contrasting stitching, and the steering wheel bears the GT-Line logo. Metal pedals, a black headliner, and exclusive interior trim further contribute to the sporty ambiance. The seating position is slightly elevated, offering a commanding view of the road, which is a characteristic feature of crossovers. As for handling and driving dynamics, the GT-Line variant has been fine-tuned to offer a more engaging experience. The suspension has been tweaked to reduce body roll and improve handling around corners, making it more adept at spirited driving. The steering is also more responsive in the GT-Line, providing a connection with the road that driving enthusiasts will appreciate. In terms of pricing, the 2023 Stonic GT-Line commands a premium over the standard Stonic variants. This is justified by the sportier aesthetics, more powerful engine, and the added features both inside and out. For buyers looking for a compact crossover that offers an engaging driving experience along with practicality and a touch of luxury, the GT-Line makes a compelling case. In conclusion, the 2023 Kia Stonic GT-Line is an exciting addition to the compact crossover segment. With its sporty design, peppy engine, and enhanced features, it caters to a demographic looking for something more than just a practical vehicle. Meanwhile, the standard Stonic continues to be a solid choice for those prioritizing value, space, and reliability. Ultimately, the choice between the two depends on the preferences and priorities of the buyer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.